Today I'd like to spend a few moments and talk about certain things that parents could not do from the grave in a will in order to control the distribution of their property after they pass away, because all it's going to do is set up problems between their heirs. But before we get started, if you have any questions about a Northwest Indiana estate planning or probate matter, you can always reach out to me at indianaestatemeeting.com and we can go ahead and answer your questions and concerns and set up a plan that hopefully will not end in a dispute 10, 15, or 20 years later. So here's the story. An elderly lady really loves both her kids. She has a will made, and in the will she says, I leave to my two kids my property at so-and-so. But what I would like is I'd like child A to live there and pay child B so much money and for a number of years, and this is what it's going to be. And so what happens is that, of course, child B gets offended. Child B wants their money. Child B wants what they legally have, which is a portion of the property. And then there's a dispute between child A and child B. So child B comes and calls a lawyer in order to get involved, and then that causes strife in the family, and then child A and child B do not talk to each other anymore because of this dispute. See, parents cannot really control the distribution of property that way after they pass away, and a will would not be the best way to do it. So what the mom should have done in her will is say, look, to the residuary of my estate, to my two children, I leave everything for them to split 50-50. At that point in time, if child A wanted to live in the home, child A could go out and get a mortgage. Child A can find somebody to help pay off whatever interest child B has in there. Child A can come and develop some type of agreement and come to an agreement with child B to make periodic payments in order to purchase the property. And if child A is unable to do that and child B does not want child A to stay in the property, then the property will have to be sold and both kids will be able to split the proceeds. You see, that's the way it needs to be done. They need to resolve these issues by themselves. A parent cannot resolve these issues from the grave. It's only going to cause a problem. It's only going to cause these kids to go out and find lawyers. It's going to cost money that is really not necessary, and it's going to cause hard feelings. If you have any questions about a Northwest Indiana estate planning or probate matter, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.